Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Some of you may know that I've been shopping for wedges for a while. Okay, maybe from last year, maybe for like 2 years. I'm just always looking for wedges. I haven't really found a set that I can like commit with, but when I was at the PGA show this year, I was at demo day and I was trying a bunch of wedges and I kind of fell in love with links because they're light. They just felt so smooth when I was chipping them, and I don't know, they were just so easy for me to chip with. And Lynx was actually my first set of golf clubs, and oh, they're supposed to arrive today, so I think they just arrived. Let's see. Can't wait to open up these bad boys. Or girls. I haven't decided what they are yet. Maybe we'll open them up outside. Yeah, outside. Less of a mess. Are you gonna unbox with me? No? Okay, fine. Okay, probably best to do this with a knife. Can you tell this is my first unboxing video? Alright, we've got 5 wood here. Ooh, and I love how they're all black. What? Come here! Minnie, what are you doing? I don't know if you guys know this, but my dog loves acting like a cat, and yeah, she's a fan of boxes. Seems like she likes this box. Can you get out? I need something from here. Alright, the last club. Ooh, 56 degree. Sweet. I can't wait to try them. I love the look of these. I'm gonna go to sleep with these. Just kidding, I'm not going to do that. But I'm gonna put them in my bag and take them to the course, and I can't wait to try them out. Hopefully they feel as good as they look. We're just waiting for the course to open. I forgot that it's winter, and golf courses have summer hours and winter hours. So just a few more minutes now until we get to try out my new clubs. I'm so excited. We're gonna start out with my wedges because I'm so stoked about those. I really, really needed new wedges. So my wedges are amazing, and 8 iron, 9 iron so far, so good. I think, yeah, they are the same shaft as my other clubs, my Titleist TMBs. Yeah, KBS 90, Tour 90, and so it feels very similar to my older clubs. The face feels really good. Yeah, and I just love the look of these. They just look so slick, and especially with my fingerprint on it. Let's try out the hybrid. I'm excited to see what this bad boy is gonna be like. And now for the driver, which there are no T's here, so I'm going to improvise. Alright, I just finished hitting the last of the balls, and that means that this unboxing video is coming to a close. I really like my clubs. Ultimately, what's really important about clubs is getting fitted to the shaft. I mean, I think the shaft is the most important thing. I mean, it's everything to me, and also the way the club looks. I love the look of these. So if you guys have any funny stories of breaking in clubs, please comment below, and I'd like to know, like, what kind of clubs are you guys hitting? So just comment below, and remember to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I think it's either going to be here or here on this side of the screen. Either way, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.